In this video, I will show you how to delete render files on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to delete the render files for. Now, once you load up the project, what you're going to do is you click on File. And once you click on File, you come to Delete Generated Event Files. Now, once you click on delete generated event files, you can see it's going to show you some files that you can delete. You're going to click on delete render files. If you want to delete your unused only or you want to delete all, you're going to show it here. But it's always advisable to delete unused only, else you're going to delete some of the edits that you've already made. Now, you should understand that the files will be deleted from all locations, both inside and outside the library, and you cannot undo this command. So once it's deleted, the file is gone. And then you're going to click on OK. And just like that, you've been able to delete render files on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.